Morning students, we are here with Value Education class. Today we will learn a new chapter, that is Be Truthful. Be truthful. Truthful means you have to speak the truth always at any condition. So it is very dangerous if you tell a lie, because one lie will give a rising of many lies. If once you are telling a lie, again if another question will arise, you have to tell another lie, then another question will arise, you have to tell another lie. Like this you have to say lot of lies for one lie. Okay, so truthfulness brings our honor, dignity, and above all, peace. If you will tell a truth, then you will, and every time if you will tell a lie, every time you will feel that I am telling a lie, I am telling a lie, I can be caught, anyone can know. So a fear will always threaten you from your inside. But if you will tell a truth, then it will be very nice. No one can harm you. Okay, so it is very good to tell the truth. Okay, one who tells lie is called a liar. And who is a honest person? A person who always tells the truth is called an honest person. And one who tells a lie is called a liar, and no one believes on him. He is called dishonest person. No one believes a liar. So, and truth always wins. Every time truth will always win. It is easier to speak the truth, but for lie you have to think that what things I will say, so that they will not understand, they will not chase me, they will not question me, and many things more. Okay, so if by chance do something wrong, then if you are doing something wrong, maybe you have broken up glass. Now don't lie to your mother that I don't know or I haven't touched it. Tell it that mom, I have touched it, but it has fallen by mistake. Your mother will, maybe in the anger she will scold you, but she will love you more than before, because you are telling the truth. Okay. Now there is a story. A story is, a holy man was there. He is a guru of, and he has many students. Okay, and now he has a daughter, and he is finding a would-be son-in-law for her, for his daughter. Now what happened? He was finding many places, but one day he thought that why could I not find among my students? So he called all the students and told that I want some money. Please go to your home and bring some money from there, because it is very urgent and I have no money. But there is a condition that you will not say anything to your parents, but you have to bring the money. Okay, so what happened? All the students went home. They all brought the money from there. But at last, what happened? The one boy didn't brought any money. So the guru said, what happened? Everyone brought money, why you haven't brought? So now the boy is telling, if I had brought the money, then I have to tell a lie to your I will ask the money, I will ask for the money to my parents. Then my parents will ask me that why you need the money. Then what will happen? I have to tell the truth, and you have given the condition, that condition will be broken. Next, if I have brought it by stealing, then what will happen? What you have taught us all will go vain. So I have decided not to bring any money, and I have came like this. Now the guru is saying that actually I am finding an honest person. I don't need money, because I will not give any money to my son-in-law in my daughter's marriage. I just finding any honest person, and you are the honest person. If you want to marry my daughter, please tell me, then I will go to your father or parents and ask for you to marry my daughter. So after a few days the marriage was done. So what do you learn from this chapter? honesty is the best policy. And to be honest, you have to tell the truth. See here, to be honest, you have to tell the truth. You have not to cheat anyone. Okay. So, value education are the chapters through which we learn something valuable in my life, what we will add in our character. So, this from today, no one will tell the lie, everyone will tell the truth. If I am telling that, have you done the homework? You are telling, yes, ma'am. I am telling you, show me the copy. Then you are not showing it, and I am getting angry, I am scolding you. But if you have not done, say that, ma'am, today I have not done. I have, for some reasons, I will do it and show it to you in the next live class. Then I will tell, okay, very good. Otherwise, I will scold you that why you have told, why you have not done. So, one lie will give arising a lie. So, don't tell a lie from today. So, this is the chapters of value education are telling us to learn something, to put some good things in our character. So, telling truth is a good characteristics of our character. So, you from today, no one will tell a lie, no one will steal. If you want something, go and tell your parents that give me that one. Or if your friend has on something, so for some time you take it and give it to back. Don't take it, don't steal anyone's things. Then that is another bad thing. Then you will not be honest. An honest person, everyone loves honest person. Those who are honest, everyone loves them. But if he will not be honest, then no, he or she is not good. He takes things without saying. I have to keep my things away from him. So this will be a bad impression for you. So learn from these chapters that be truthful, be always try to tell the truth, be an honest person, don't steal others things, don't take others things. Okay, so till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time and keep following the classes.